Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Badai Yakatanat Revenue and Disaster Management jangka Sarkar Jilla uba Kyrmen Shilla ulayathu uba Sarkar kalapalat ya Pisa syakakong midaris pede kabasyang basa hakasnong kut kabalakot syakashilak laipo hajar kat kum kakendon ka SDRF. Menteri ula jubab ya kini ki jingkeli kadai balawan ra da UMLA ka Mauring Keneng constituency uba Livingstone Kharpran haki kenta keli jingkeli hakadorbar mangtingka kabadang yat mentakasi. Uba Kyrmen, ula Pyntip ru baka Sarkar kamsyam laay, ya Pisa syakakong riburam karngi, kabalamang hadu silak laipo hajar tingka, hinrei laay no syakakong help me karngi, kabadai katrayeng kabasyang basa Puriang. Kani kajingirap Pisa ka Sarkar, kadai namar kitay ki Longïing kiladu no, ya kayeng namar kajing Pluh ding.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I also thank the Minister in charge of Revenue and Disaster Management for the reply. So I just want to know from the Honourable Minister, when has the government given the relief assistance to these two families?
The amount was released on the 18th February 2025 for both, sir.
Thank you, sir. I may know from the Honourable Minister how many house fire incidents and other natural calamities have occurred in the last 2 years in the East Khasil district.
East Khasi Hills, sir, I have here the number for 2023-24, 31 with the amount of 47,25,000 and 24-25, 29 with the amount of 29,19,900, sir.
Minister, I think the Minister didn't understand the question. I just want to know how many house fire incidents or other natural calamities have occurred in the last 2 years, just numbers of the incidents.
Here, sir, as I've mentioned, 31 for 2023-24 and 24-25, 29, sir.
Okay. Has the government given the relief assistance to those affected families?
Yes, sir. It's been released.
One more question, sir. Will the government consider providing additional fund or emergency fund to the MLAs? Because when such incident of natural calamities is taking place, we are the first one to be approached with the affected families.
Sir, we from the department, we released the fund as per the SDRF norms, sir, so we cannot go beyond that. If the government would like to extend the support, and we do have the MLAs fund, so as RWP, so that up to the wisdom of the MLAs, they can do as per that.
No, I just request the Honourable Chief Minister to please reply this.
Sir, I think the Honourable Minister has already replied very clearly and categorically that the SDRF norms are very clear, and based on the SDRF norms, most of the areas and concerns are addressed, and whatever funds are available in that is given. On a case-to-case basis, sir, as mentioned by Honourable Minister, the concerned MLA also can give from the SRWP scheme or from the DG, the discretionary grant that is given. And on a case-to-case basis, wherever it is there, so we do intervene in whatever way possible, sir. But there is no specific guideline that says that additional amount will be given. It is all on the basis of SDRF norms, sir.
Sir, may I know from the Minister in charge, the total number of affected family was still waiting for the payment for the years of 2022-23.
22-23 for East Khasi Hills, sir?
Yes.
East Khasi Hills has been sanctioned, sir. It's already released to the beneficiaries. all the household.
Thank you very much, Mr. May I know from the minister in charge, how many affected house has been given money to the affected families in my constituency, Mukunro, Sianadi block?
I don't have the detail with me, sir, regarding with the different block wise, but I have district wise, so I require notice.